Welcome to whatever part of the anvils build. Okay, so I'm gonna weld up the anvil base, weld the anvil on there, and I'm also gonna do some welding on the forge here at the shop. So let's get started. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I finally got me a little forge set up going on here at the shop. I'm going to be able to finish out some craft fair items for this weekend. And then hopefully finish up the railroad spike knife series. Do a sheet and get that done. And then after that, this is going to be a cool project. I'm so excited about it. Oh my goodness. Hope you stay with me. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done it. And I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate it. Bye.
Well, I welded it on backwards. Shut up. Oh.